G'day and welcome back to the shed. My name's Mark. Well, it has been a minute since I've done a live stream or any sort of a video, and had a couple of little medical things that got in the way, so we're finally back to it. And in this little video we've got this here. This is a little bit of pipe. It's actually a manifold intake, or part of a manifold intake for a Thornycroft truck which belongs to our club down at Old Petrie Town. It's got a very tiny hole in the right here. Don't know whether you can see that, you might be able to. Anyway, we're going to give this a fill up. The other gentleman of the club, he's working on the carburettor, which he's found some issues with because it just wasn't performing properly. And since he's been working on it, the truck has improved like tenfold, and now he's stripped the carby down, cleaned it all up, and found a few problems, and he's sorted those out. Hopefully it'll resolve the issues that we're currently having even more. Sorry about the light overhead. We've got a bit of rain happening outside, and anyway, let's get on to this. And I'll put a few photos into the carburettor, and I'll put a photo or two of the truck in as well to give you an idea. We're going to get back into the swing of things next Thursday night. I'll be doing a live stream, so get back into the swing of the Thursday night lives, as long as it's not pouring down rain or anything like that. So let's get on to brazing this. See. Righto, so we've got in nice and close here on the part. You can see the hole, and I've got the oxy all set up, ready to go almost. Well, oxypropane is what I use here. You can see it. It's a bit over, yes, it's a bit overkill for the job I'm doing. I'm going to give this part a bit of a warm up, like so. We're just waving heat in front of it. And at the same time, we're going to burn out any residual crap that's in there. Because, like I said, this is an air intake for the carburettor. Carburettor's been running pretty rich, and the guy working on it has found the issues. So I'm just going to, and we're just going to be using silver brazing rod. I'll start warming this up a bit, and it's just off to my right here. And I'll put a bit of flux on, and that'll be right. That's what happens. Pliers, so I can pick it up and don't burn myself. Things move. So let's get this in a better position so it's not going to move. It's probably not going to be the best spot for the video. That's how it's going to have to be. Let's just work with that. And there we are, just like that. And make sure we get plenty in there, and it melts in beautifully. That's why I like working with silver brazing. You can really get it to just flow where you want. Where standard brazing rod can be a little bit tricky at times, and depending on where you got your heat, all that sort of thing. Well, that's from my experience anyway. And I do have, like I said, this is a little bit overkill, but we're filling that hole nicely, and I'll be able to look on the inside, and I'll give that a clean up. Right, let's change the angle. There's a bit of an anticlimax because I had to turn it around, but I've got that hole filled now. See that? I'll just let that cool down a little bit, won't take much. I'll give it a clean up. There's plenty of a few little dags on the inside. That's not going to be a problem. Not for what it's going to, it's not a truck that's going to be on the road every day. It's just at our club. Right, let's set that aside, let that cool down. Righto, we've got you sitting over on the forklift at the moment. I've gone outside and cooled this down with a bit of water. I'm just going to chuck my gloves on and might have to do a bit of editing. Better put my glasses on too, so I can see. That'd be damn right foolish of me if I didn't do that. Got a few rough spots here, so I'll clean them up. Righto, that'll do it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. It's good to be back doing something, making something. And we'll see you Thursday night live and maybe some other time, maybe over the weekend. All right, enjoy your weekend if the weekend's coming up for you. Cheers for now, bye.